What's up guys, it's your Freddy here once again, and yes, we have another item to review for today, and I know you're definitely gonna like it because this is a DJI MIC 2 killer. So if this is your first time on the channel, we do reviews like this and we also do game reviews. So if you're something interested in that, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever we have no video. And yes, without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this item right over here. But before we do that, don't forget to take it easy. Let's go. Yeah. Alright, so this is the item itself, and as you can see it here, this is an Ulanzi AM18, which is a wireless microphone system. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at this item right over here. So this is the packaging. There you have it. Very nice and very premium, of course. Let's remove it like this. Yeah, I already opened this one up, but I have the actual unboxing of this item, which I can post over this video as well. So this is the actual manual itself that we don't read, of course. Let me just go ahead and get this item right over here, which usually comes with this plastic right over, but I was so excited to remove it. So there you go, that's what you have right now, the actual item itself. It's set aside for the meantime, and this is the box where all of the accessories are in. So let's go ahead and take a look at it really quick. There you go. So you have here your pouch or bag. You have some connectors in here. So you have the USB Type-C to USB Type-C connector. We also have this lightning cable to TRS cable, and then you also have your USB, the actual USB, the regular one, plus the Type-C. There you go, USB Type-C. And then here is your TRRS or 3.5 jack to 3.5mm jack. There you have it. And of course you also have one of these, which are the dead cats, as they call it, or dead kitten, because it's very small. This is the actual item itself, and see for yourself. Look at this, guys. Ulanzi. There you go. Now let's open it up. You guys get to see it. Boom. There you go. So does this looks like familiar to you? Very much like a DJI MIC 2, but of course with a cheaper price. And I'm definitely gonna post a link in the description down below for a link where did I purchase this, okay, and so that you guys would have an idea as well on how much this mic actually is. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look what's inside. So basically you have here your receiver, which is have a display as well right in there. These two are the mute buttons for mic 1 and mic 2, or transmitter 1, transmitter 2, and this is touchscreen, guys. So you have there your recording option, you also have here your volume, you also have your settings. So this is just the receiver itself, and if you're gonna ask me how big this is about like probably 2.5 inches, and then let's say 1.5 inches crosswise like that. And you have here your clip, you have there your charging contacts. Right in here you have your USB Type-C, which could also act as a data transfer. So I've tried this already. This actually works with my pocket here, which we're going to try later on. So basically this is your lock button. You can press it once to lock the displays, and also you can press it again to unlock it. And on the other side you're gonna have your monitor for your headphone. So it's gonna be a 3.5 monitor for you, and then this port right over here goes to the actual camera itself. But as far as USB Type-C goes, this one works as well. Now let's go ahead to the actual transmitter itself, and this is it. So if you're gonna ask me how small it is, probably like 1.2 1.3 inches, and then the height of it is like about 1.5 or 1.6 1.7 inches. Then sideways this is like 1 centimeter over 1.5 centimeter for the thickness of this microphone. And here at the side you actually have a USB Type-C again, which also acts as a data transfer. And you have here your record button. Yes, there is an internal recording option for this microphone. Same goes with the DJI MIC 2. That's why this is definitely a killer. That's actually one of the good things, because you have a backup audio right in here, aside from the audio that you'll be getting directly transmitted to the receiver. So that's basically what is on this side. You have your clip right over here. which you can clip basically anywhere that it's gonna fit. Here on the other side, yes, there is a volume controller, which is very nice. You can have it controlled handy if you feel like it's too loud, it's clipping. That's why I would also suggest to use the safety one, because it's not gonna clip at all if you're gonna use the safety option aside from the mono and the stereo option for recording. This power button right over here goes to turning off and turning on the device. Of course, you just have to long press it. You have here a charging pins or charger contacts, and then on top you have your actual microphone right over there. And if you're not satisfied with that one, you can even connect a wired lavalier right over here, 3.5mm jack that goes to this port right over here, and you can have it clip anywhere else. And I did mention that we have this clip right over here, or this dead cat mount right over here, so we get to test it. Okay, so it is just as easy as figure out how it fits on the microphone, and it should be easy enough for you to clip it into place just like this. So basically that is how it works. If you press this once, it's gonna actually record itself on this microphone even though there's no connected receiver to it. And you would notice this because this one is blinking right over here. There's no connection. But once I pop this open right over here, boom, which actually turns on the actual transmitter or receiver itself, there you go, then you would see that it's already synced automatically. Sound check, test mic 1 2. Sound check, test mic 1 2 right over there, which is very nice. Now let's go ahead and get to test it and connect it to my Pocket3. Let's go. Boom, here's how you connect it. I'll just hook it right over here. And if you're gonna using this setup, I would definitely suggest that you have other like a mount right over here so that you can put this into place. But since we don't have it into place, we're just gonna let it hanging right over here. There you go. So I just inserted the microphone, and there you go. If you guys can see it, all right, there is actually a green bar right over there that signifies that we have connection with the actual Pocket 3 itself. Now let's go ahead and get to test it. So this is the sound of the BM800 microphone. Test mic 1 2 1 2. This is Easy Fred testing the BM800 microphone. Now this is the sound of the Ulanzi AM18 with its dead cat on at about 7 inches to 10 inches like that with the dead cat on. This is how it sounds like, and this is how it sounds like if we're gonna use this microphone on a regular basis, right? This is where it should be placed, and this is how it sounds like without the dead cat in place. But let's go ahead and put it. I had a lot of wind in this room and noise as well, so there you go. I would normally use it with this one. We're gonna try the other option, so just swipe it down right over here. So this is the mono option. Let's go ahead and try the stereo option, and let's check if see the difference. Is there any difference with how it sounds? Go ahead and comment down below if you see any changes with how this microphone sounds. Okay, now let's try and change it to this one, which is the safety recording. Let me see if it's all the same. So there you have it. So basically you can go on ahead and continue recording while you're changing the audio option. So we have mono, we have stereo, and we have the safety one, which I believe will just limit your voice so that it will not clip, which is a good one. Now let's go ahead and test the onboard recording if it's working, even though we're playing and recording on the Pocket 3. So I'm gonna click it right here so that you guys can see it for yourself. And yep, the dead cat just fall off. Anyways, let me just add it back really quick. Okay, you actually have to twist it. All right, so it's not gonna fall into place. I just didn't twist it earlier. Now let's go ahead and click on this record button right over here. Short click. Boom, there you go. The red button is highlighted, so we definitely need to get the audio from this one, and let's compare it with the audio directly to the receiver. All right, and also the audio from this BM800 microphone, and I also get to compare it with the audio from the actual Pocket 3 itself if you guys would love to do that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and remove it from the Pocket 3 itself so that you guys get to see a comparison. Alright, so there you have it, and this is how it sounds like using the actual Pocket MP3 itself. So you guys go ahead and comment down below which one you like the most when it comes to audio. And this is how it sounds using the BM800 microphone that I've had for years already. It's already rusted and whatsoever, but still sounds great though. And yet there's only one more thing that I think is a downside to this microphone, aside from the all things that the other reviewers are mentioning, that with this dead cat or dead kitten on, you won't be able to close this mic. Basically, it's not gonna close, which is just easy up twisting it to have this removed. Other thing is the build quality. This is definitely all plastic, but that could be an advantage because it is actually lighter in terms of weight. Same goes with the transmitter, all plastic build, but I wouldn't bother. All you have to do is just take good care of this microphone. Same goes with everything that comes with it because it's all plastic by itself. But hey, all in all, quality wise, you be the judge. Go ahead and comment down below how this mic sounds to you. And again, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share this video to your friends, family, or just anyone who's looking for a budget microphone right now, which is actually the best deal that I think as of right now. Share your thoughts, questions, suggestions in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever we have a new video. This is Fred once again. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out to everyone. Keep safe to all of you. And once again, don't forget to take it easy. I'll see you in another video. Yeah.